Hello everyone, welcome back to day 18 of English speaking challenge. If you are serious about your English speaking, if you want to speak in English, you will speak in English after try to speak in English. When you try to speak in English, you do mistake. It is always right, but you never try, you can't speak English. You want to speak in English, you have to try to speak in English. So if you want to speak, so let's start with me the journey. These are day 18 of English speaking challenge. If you are serious, you take this challenge of English speaking. I made the past 70 videos of English speaking. This is the day 18. It is a total 30 days English speaking challenge. If you are serious about your English speaking, please start with me this journey. This journey is very helpful for you to improve your spoken English skill. So each and every day, total day 30 days, each and every day I will give you a task. You practice at your home, you try to speak on the topic. I give you one topic every video. So today's topic is tell me about something your favorite food in English. What food you like to eat? Tell me about something. So if you want to share this video, whatever you record or whatever, try to speak in English at your home, because without try you can't speak in English. So if you want to share me these videos, please comment below down. I will give you my email ID. You will share this video through email. So let's start the video. Today I will share my favorite food. So let's start. Khichdi. Do you know what is the English term of khichdi? The no English term will be held for khichdi. We are always say khichdi because some specific word are have their no meaning in English. Some Bengali word or Hindi word you can say have their no meaning in English. So my favorite food, you know. So why I like to eat this? Because this gives very much nutritious food and very much delicious food. How to make this food delicious? This food cooked by rice and various kind of dals. You put 2 to 3 kinds of dals and pills. In English you can say pills and rice. The most renowned rice is Govindabhog rice for made khichdi. This is a very delicious food. I like to eat this food. I am trying to speak English like this. You also try. You also explain your favorite food like this. When you try to explain, you do mistake. That doesn't mean you can't speak perfectly. Whatever mistake you did, you correct. You will do. Here I use two things. Whatever mistake you did, that means তুমি যে মিস্টেকগুলো করেছিলে, এখানে আমরা ভুল ইংলিশ ইউজ করলাম, কিন্তু কি হবে এখানে তুমি যে মিস্টেকগুলো করবে, what mistake you will do while speaking English, you correct right now. That helps you to improve your spoken skill day by day. So likewise, why my favorite food is khichdi, I will explain, because it's a very delicious food when it is made by Govindabhog rice and 2 to 3 kinds of dals, that means pulses, that make very delicious. So I like to eat khichdi with vegetable curry. Vegetable curry means sabji chachori, vegetable curry. Various 2 to 3 kinds of vegetable, mixed vegetable curry, and khichdi is a favorite food because I like to eat. So your perspective, you eat some your favorite food, suppose biryani or something else. So this vary man by man. So you try to explain your favorite food. So that is for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to subscribe this channel, if you want to watch this kind of videos, please hit the subscribe button. So see you in the day 19 of English speaking challenge. So stay tuned, stay healthy, goodbye, and keep speaking, try to, and keep practicing.